Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best gaming PC build under $600.
Starting at number 5.
Western Digital 500GB. A solid-state drive is an essential hardware component and we highly recommend installing your OS onto it. Alternatively, you could use your SSD as a cache. This is because SSDs offer huge performance increases for desktop usage and boot times, alongside much faster loading times in games. This SSD only has a 500 GB capacity, giving you ample room for your media files and games, but you may need to upgrade/add to this before anything else. Read speeds up to 3500 MB/s Superscript 2, 500 GB 1 TB Superscript 1 models, computer platform, PC, specific uses, business, personal. Remarkable reliability features to help protect your content. Slim M.2 2280 form factor, compatible with PCIe. Save on space with a single-sided M.2 2280 PCIe Gen 3x4 NVMe SSD. 1 month Adobe Creative Cloud Trial Superscript 3. Enjoy the collection of creative desktop and mobile tools for your creative projects, photography, graphic design, video editing, UX design, social media, and more.
Coming at number 4.
Patriot Viper Steel. This Patriot Viper Steel 16GB RAM kit offers excellent price to performance. We've opted for 16GB of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM in our $600 gaming PC build to make sure it has enough power to play the most demanding game titles.
At number 3.
MSI Pro H610M. Not only is this a solid motherboard for the price, but it also supports Intel's latest generation of processors. The motherboard doesn't really impact gaming performance too drastically, but it is important to have a reliable and stable board that can support your components. That is exactly what this board offers. It might not be the best motherboard available, but for the price, you'll do well to find anything more suited. Pro Series helps users work smarter by delivering an efficient and productive experience. Featuring stable functionality and high-quality assembly, Pro Series motherboards provide not only optimized professional workflows but also less troubleshooting and longevity.
Number 2 of my list.
Intel Core 12. The Intel Core i3-12100F is the brand's older gen budget CPU offering. The 12100F features 4 cores/8 threads and comes with a base clock speed of 3.3 GHz that can be boosted to 4.3 GHz. This should be more than enough to handle most games at 1080p and will churn through mid-high demanding workloads. You won't be running into bottleneck issues anytime soon either. The processor pairs perfectly with the RAM and is ideal for those looking to create a budget gaming PC. 12th Gen Intel Core i3-12100F desktop processor, without processor graphics. Featuring PCIe Gen 5.0 and 4.0 support, DDR5 and DDR4 support, 12th Gen Intel Core i3 desktop processors are optimized for productivity. Discrete graphics required. Intel Laminar RM1 included in the box. Compatible with 600 series chipset-based motherboards, 58W processor base power.
And number 1.
STGAubron Intel Core. Most gamers usually opt to build their own computer since it's much more cost-effective, often with savings in the hundreds. That being said, not everyone is able to build their own machine. For those who don't have the time or the confidence to tackle this custom-build project, we've come up with a list of the best pre-built gaming PCs under $600. All our pre-built PC recommendations come from reputable PC custom building companies, with good build quality and warranties.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.